and if you are new, join the circle by hitting the subscribe button because you do not want to not be here. Today we have a reset video. Today is Saturday, so I decided, you know what, it's time to turn my life around. I have had the weirdest, toughest week, and I kind of let myself go. If you look around my room, everywhere is messy, from the room itself to the parlor, to the kitchen, to the dining. Everywhere is a mess, everywhere. So I just decided, you know what, today I'm going to turn that around. I'm going to clean this place up so that tomorrow, Sunday, I can just go to church, lift my spirits, and relax. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're gonna first of all do a tour of my filthy apartment, just so you know where I'm coming from and you'll be able to appreciate where I'm going. This is how my room is looking right now. Everywhere is a mess. I literally just got out of bed, and this is basically how I slept on the bed. The way it's just rough like this, I just slept on one corner of the bed. Everywhere just a freaking mess. The floor is dirty, everywhere is disorganized. Then we go to the parlor. Okay, the floor is really dirty. Look at the center table, just so much going on. Look over there, everything is just everywhere. Okay, and look at clothes over there as well. The funny thing is, this was actually laundry, but the laundry is done. This is done laundry. I brought it in from outside, and I've just not had the energy to fold it and take it back to where it is supposed to be. Now, when we come over to the dining, look at how disorganized the place is. That is what I ate for dinner. Everything is just a freaking mess. All right, now let's head into the kitchen. Gosh, people, please don't judge me, okay? So everywhere is, just everything is just everywhere. At least the sink is not so bad, at least. Yeah, look at the gas cooker, it's so filthy, and just things laying about, being where they are not supposed to be. At this point, I don't even know where to start from, because if I start from my room, I feel like once my room is clean, I will just lose steam and give up. So I think maybe I should start from the parlor. But the parlor is like really, really big. It's going to drain me. Oh my gosh. Oh. Let me start from the parlor. Then I would work my way into the kitchen, the parlor, dining, and then the kitchen. Then I would now come to the room. So after devising my master plan on how I was going to tackle all the mess, I decided to start with the clothes that are in the parlor. So I'm folding them into their separate categories. So there's tops, trousers, dresses. The ones that I'm flinging are the ones that have like bags they're supposed to be in, and the ones that need to be hung on hanger. So those ones will be flung to a corner. Fun fact, this room that I'm arranging my clothes into is not actually my room, but this is my wardrobe. So this house is not my house. I'm actually staying with a friend, and this used to be their family house. So there's a lot of stuff that actually doesn't belong to either of us. So we're just basically living around what the family left behind. So I found wardrobe space in this room, so I'm using it. I mean, what else can I do? It's not like I have a choice. I'm a squatter. So my beggar can't have choose. You see my iPad over there on the chair. I was listening to music as I was doing all this, because what are chores if you are not listening to music? It's suffering. Chores without music is suffering. So this second pile, I basically did the same thing that I did to the first one. I wasn't about to film all that snippety snap. Then they took lights.
They took lights. NEPA decided to show themselves and take lights. So I opened the window. I thought the lighting would be enough, but it was not. So I had to go and turn on my LED light so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Then I came to the center table and I just cleared all this stuff up. This gray box has been here for like 2 weeks. I'm not even going to lie, it's just been here, just sitting down. It's crazy. I should have cleared everything from the table. As for this package, I actually got it delivered yesterday. It's a set of press-on nails from Nails by Herbs. I cannot wait to use it, but for now, inside the wardrobe. Up next was the dining, which was such a cluttered mess. So everything that needed to go to the kitchen, I packed them together inside the tray, and then all these wires and plugs and everything, I had to disconnect most of them. So the reason there are two laptops here is one is for my friend and the other is for me because I'm not a Yahoo girl. So the two laptops are not mine. Guys, that took energy. Anyway, so I'm done with the kitchen and the dining and the parlor. There's still no electricity. NEPA has decided to do me dirty, but it's all right. It's all right because it's Coco only my room that is left to clean anyway, and the room is breezy and airy. So whatever, NEPA, whatever. This is what my room looks like now. The bed is laid, floor swept, everything is where it's supposed to be. Thank you, Lord Jesus. I no longer have to live like a pig, at least not for this weekend, because starting tomorrow, clothes are gonna start piling up just around there. There's gonna be books here, everything's gonna start scattering all over again, and then this is literally like every weekend. Like, this happens every weekend. It just keeps going on and on. It's a cycle. I'm trying to do better, but you know, like, I don't know, I'm trying, Sha. So I sent somebody to buy food for me because I do not have the energy to cook. So the person got me jollof rice with plantain and pomo. I tipped some of the person's fish because the person bought for himself too. Then there's puff puff inside here, and then water, and I have YouTube open, so I'm about to feast. Toodles.